we're live! Is everything working? We don't know! Okay, let me turn down this a little bit. Okay, so that... Who's here? Oh yeah, that's the thing. Attention, Frank! Yeah, that's so close, right? Can you hear me? Let me... Can we make it today? I don't know. Cool. Okay. I'm taking care of like a little... She's not a puppy, but she wanna play. She wanna play like now. How are you, my friend? So I had to rebuild. Video stream very... Yeah. Like I had to rebuild everything and I'm sitting and the lights are not great. And the dog is complaining. My daughter is here, so I have her dog so she could sleep. And now I'm throwing a ball. Uh-oh. 1 second. Ça va pas bien marcher, ça. C'est pas une bonne idée. Hein? Ouais. So we have this little puppy. She wanna play. She just wanna play. Okay. Okay, let's go here and there. So I think this will help me. Yeah, I think I have issue. Not sure if it's... Oh, I can push that. She's so unhappy. Okay. Milo! Why it's not working? Okay, now it's working. Even earlier today I was trying to go on GitHub and GitHub was having issue, but just that website. So I don't know if it's what is it exactly? Oh, I could have kept that one, I guess. What, there's an extension? Oh, that's cool. We can do that. Oh, I definitely need to fix my light. Ben, qu'est-ce que tu veux? Okay, no, I don't want that. Leave. Okay. Wait. Yeah, so for some reason, apparently, like, this GitHub works for you? And I'm sorry for the light not working. Maybe I can try something for that part. Maybe this will help a little bit. It's here, right? It's here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Is it because it's too light or too dark? If I do this, Does it help? It helps. So it's too dark. Oh, okay. This light is light. It's very bright. Arranger le problème. Excellent. Oh, I need to fix this. The clouds are going behind. Interesting. No. I should have stand up as usual. Well, like I rebuilt everything. Oh no, okay, why I thought the clouds were going behind. The clouds are going on top of it. Okay, cool. Okay, no, see two. Okay, so how can I check the PR if, I mean, I can, what is that? Procton mail, I don't want, I need to set up that. This maybe work. I'm guessing I won't be able to sign in. Oh, okay, cool. Excellent. But kush. But my PRs. No. Open. Inbox. Move. How can I, if I check here, I have a pull request, right? No? All pull requests. Yes, I have. Okay, cool, I can see it. Veux-tu venir sur ton banc? Veux-tu venir sur moi? Ok. Tu aller sur ton banc? Ok. Oh, chien. Couche. Ouais. Okay. We have one dog park. Yay! I didn't check if the sound effect.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Well, at least the sound effects are working. And tons of people will land, but not me. Just me, I'm just beside. Just. Okay, so that's the biggest it will go. So let's go in the corner so it's a little bit bigger. I still need a way to zoom on this computer. So we have a pull request on the project zip deploy. It's an Azure function, and I was hoping to show you, but apparently I can't. Because for some reason GitHub doesn't want to work. If I go note bookmark, oh, okay, note bookmark works. Oh, maybe it's fixed now. Repo, oh, cool, it's fixed. Excellent. Okay, we're back in business. Cool. Oh no, not inbox. I want to see my repository. And AZ Funk. That's the one. Yeah. Okay, we're here. I feel weird. I put the autumn fall theme instead of like the regular one. Oh, it's here. Well, here we'll keep the shadow. It's because I brought a chair for the dog, so she can sleep beside me, and it's in the way of the light. So, you know, sorry for the shadowing stuff. Okay. So the project is a zip deploy Azure Function. So it's been a long time, and you usually click this, and it was using ARM template to deploy the Azure Function. I did create apparently a blog post, so I will have to refactorize that or write a new one. And so we have a PR from Paul. So let's have a look. Paul is a PM on the Azure Function team. So we don't see the landing pad. Of the drop. It's slow, right? I feel like I feel the response time is like maybe I need to change the latency for like faster. I feel it's slow. Okay, so that's bigger. Yeah, you see it. It's just it. Oh, the landing pad. Oh, like it's not a target because like of the team. So because of the team now, it's that big pile of leaves. That's the landing pad. You're so used to me having the regular team. I thought that would be fun, and it's also it changed the, like, you know, it give like a orange, brownish vibe. I need to, okay, focus on the code today. I need to progress. Okay, this pull request modernize the Azure Function zip deployment solution by shifting from a traditional ARM template deployment to a recommended Azure Deployment CLI (AZD) approach. Emphasis security and best practices. So yeah, it's definitely a better approach. So I'm guessing I will have to do like a PR, not a PR, but like a blog post to explain that. The change introduced new infrastructure as code using Biceps and Azure Verify module, or AVM. So, Sorry Dev for Azure, learn Biceps, good. And AVM, it's the Azure Verify module, really helpful. It's using all the best practices. And AZD, it's a CLI, it's very useful too. It's like a great tool to have. Like if you're focusing on the Azure part, if you just want to go cloud, then instead of Biceps, you could go with Terraform, because Terraform can apply on Azure and on Amazon or other cloud. Legacy ARM app service resource aren't removed and what? Legacy ARM and app service resources are removed in favor of a new modular enterprise grade setup. Also, PR emphasis Elastic Premium Linux and Flex Consumption Linux plan, which are recommended. Okay, cool. Copperbird is landing. I think I forgot to put the oh, my setup is not good. We don't have the notification when you land. Let me try if I can fix that. I need to go on this computer. Oh, maybe I can share it with you too. Okay, let's do this. And if I go and do this, cool, we'll have it. So we could go here and do, let's use this, whoop, QZ. Let's use this keyboard. Insta Fluff, Insta Pixel Fluff, Pixel Plush. .dev. I should log in. Cool. So what we want is the, whoa, my mouse is going crazy. Does it do that for you too, chat? Like when I swap from, like it's the mouse, Logitech Mouse Master 3, when I change device, sometimes it just go crazy when I spin the wheel, just kind of like do a bunch of stuff super. Okay, so we own this one. So score in chat. That's what we want. We want the cloud, but we don't want the background. Cheer bit. If you check this option, every bit cheer in your channel will trigger a random item called droplets. Let's keep it. Cool. Oh, and we need to go with the autumn. Do we want the classic theme? I thought it was cool to have like the, or maybe we should go winter, since winter is very close for me here. Well, let's embrace autumn for now. So we want the cloud. Pretty sure I enabled the score in the chat. If you check this option, you will get an announcement in the chat. Yeah. Okay, so I'm copying this and I'm putting it here. So properties, and do OK. And now let's do refresh. Oh, and one thing I need to do also is start it. Okay, so let's see if everything now is fixed. So we'll just go back to our other computer. Fixing the stream live, yes. And I need to start. And let's go for learning management, maintenance. We'll change it later. So now if we, okay, excellent. Hopefully someone landed. We should see some landing. Called by mistake. Ah, now it's working now. Yeah. Excellent. And we track. That's cool. Okay. So oh, I don't have my mic mute stuff on this. I don't. Oh yeah, I have. Okay, cool. So I think we'll go get. Oh, below. Why? So we won't check this. So Azure YAML. So instead of having the Azure deployed JSON, do you have any right there? He's using a Bicep file. That's good. So we should definitely have no. So that's the okay, I'm not. I was like, what? Like I thought this was the thing here, but no. So it's using the YAML. That's great. It's a good idea. Wave action, cool. Bicep file. Definitely not looking at Bicep on GitHub. Let's have a look in VS Code. And now it's removing what? Why it's removing those things? I had Biceps file already. Maybe I was in the way on, I don't know. He's adding a script. Okay, so I think what we do in the project shouldn't change much. Well, we should have and go put it on .NET. Oh, like let's wait. Since it was .NET 8, let's wait next week when .NET 10 get out, and then we'll be able to upgrade it. Okay, so let's have a look to that branch. So where is it's here? So I want to see. Tu vas à la terre? Ok. Okay, cool. So now we have it. So if we go back to here, and this is not the good project, so we can close that. We open here and do this and send it to the page 2. No, send it to 4. Going to that one, send it to 2. Oh man. I'm sorry, I need to get the dog. I will get back in 2 seconds. Hey. No. On n'arrivera pas à travailler si c'est comme ça. Allez. Hein? Là, c'est travail, ok? On travaille. Okay, so let's read this new version. I think it was done by AI with so many emojis. Don't you think? Don't you think? Come on, oops. Tu veux t'en aller? Allez. Ah. Okay. This project demonstrates how to deploy an Azure zip deployment with enhanced security and Azure best practices. Well, it's not a zip deploy if it's not using zip, but whatever. Favor of the recommended remaining the traditional ARM template. Note, this template uses a dedicated elastic premium plan. Grovosaurus just landed with a score of 52. If you prefer a serverless consumption bin model, we're recommending using the flex consumption quick start. Yeah, I guess I will have to set up AZD, eh? Note, it is expected that at the very end of the AZD up, you see a message that you see a run package command. And this is by design and internal, don't worry. Okay. So I guess I need to log in. Oops. And I'm not sure I want to do that on screen. Can you guess why? So I have a new view for you. Secret. So I was AZD login. Oh, cool. I can stay here. It pop up in my other screen. Cool. Here. Init up, down, provision, publish. Maybe I need to do the config. If I try to do an AZD up, I guess it will ask me a bunch of questions, right? Let's give it a try. So I cleared that. I need to go in the good folder. So it's GitHub and then AZ Funk, no? Zip deploy. Yips. Cool. So now I do AZD up. Interesting. It doesn't even ask me. Okay, yeah. Now it's asking me in front of everybody. Let's go for perso. How was your week, sir? Did you get? Thought you had interview right this week. Oh no, you had interview last week. See again, it's doing that thing. So okay, error. Executing the step provision. The deployment fail. Error deploying infrastructure. Validate the deployment subscription. don't have enough quota. Okay. So let's, do I have something for, I have, okay, let's do here, let's go, Control Shift O. Yeah, I will struggle doing that, but it's fine. I just want to put it here. I had one last week. I had short interview with internal recruiter. Logo ask a load of question, then pass on to the hiring. Okay, yeah. Yeah, well, definitely. Finger crossed for you, my friend. Okay. So, I'm not sure. One last week means I had one this week. Okay, that's cool. Oh, like, is it today? Really? I cannot move my arm. Look like I'm stuck with one hand to code. Last week, as in before last weekend, and then I had another on Wednesday this week. Okay, cool. Well, that's good. You're progressing in an interview. They didn't see you and say, yeah, not that guy. Not that guy. They probably say, oh yeah, I know this guy. He's awesome on Twitter. Not on Twitter. On Twitch. He does a lot of stuff. Okay, let me validate in Azure what subscription I should be using, because a lot of changes happened since I work at Microsoft. So I'm not sure, maybe I was not using a good one. Hey, Smirkly Squiggly, how are you? I'm just checking my subscription, Azure subscription right now, and I'm doing it off camera. I could go like this. Like, that's weird. Seeing the error message. Why it's doing that? Anyway. Wish you luck, my friend. I wish you luck. Okay, so I have a few subscriptions. Where they are? Subscriptions. I did use PersoDev. That's a pay-as-you-go. It didn't ask, yeah, but no, it did ask, right? So location, current limit, Elastic Premium VMs. What? Amount required for this deployment, Elastic Premium VMs. Not sure I want to add that much code. C'est parce que si je te mets à terre, tu vas chialer. Tiens, voilà. Yeah, I would like to test. Okay, what are my other options? Hey, ça fait mal. Oui. You don't see her, hein, but she's scratching my arm. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Va falloir que je te mette. I need to put a camera for her. Maybe I should do that now. Veux-tu ta propre caméra? Veux-tu ta propre caméra? Can I do that easily? I mean, we can try. Let me try that. If I do this. Okay. Am I all breaking my stuff for a dog? Yes, I am. Okay. The fil est pas très long. 1 second. Try to extend as the maximum the cable. This way. Okay. Move it there. Okay. And now I need a tripod. Working? Bonjour! I don't know who it is, but hello, hello.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you today? I'm working to set up a camera so the dog can be visible on camera. On stream, I mean. Okay, I found this. Let's try to see if it's working. It's working. Voila. Now we do this, and that, and this, like this. Voila. Okay. Just like this. Okay. And now let's swap here. And let's add a camera. Let's do this. Puppy. Well, she's not a puppy. She's kind of 2. Well, yeah. Okay, let's quickly add a filter just to try to remove some green. Ayay! Advanced mask. Nope. We're adding advanced mask. Where is it? Advanced mask. It's the first one. Like this. And we go with this. And we go chroma key. Then we go to color. And then like this. And then like this. It's a bit better. But now she's on me. Camera shy? I think she is. Okay. Okay, so let's look. Okay. Okay. New crime partner. Okay. No. Terus, no, coba tolong beda. Terus, okay. Ah, it was GT was getting. Hello, GT. How are you? Yeah, it's my daughter is at home and she's sleeping. So I'm just trying to keep her dog so she can sleep a little bit more because this little one, well, like I say little one, she's tiny but she's 2 years old. So she's not a puppy, I guess, anymore, but she's not also an old dog. It looks weird on your camera, but she's just sniffing the green screen. Okay. We can see her in the other. Okay. So, I'm sorry, I'm having a lot of fun. She's like, yeah, she's not like one of the condition because we had 2 dogs. The oldest one just passed away, so that one she was not allowed here, so it was a safe place for the older one. So there's a lot of cables and things to sniff and look and everything. Yeah. Okay, I think so the only subscription I have is the one I use, I think, because the others, where are my subscription? The other are disabled, I think. Yeah. So now you hear. And kush. Okay? Kush. You want to say that some more now? Okay. Travail? We're working now? Yeah, so maybe, yeah, I won't show them my lap. Okay, cancel. Okay. Let's try something. Let's ask AI. I think that's just there. And you can see your butt in the other screen. Ain't that easy? Navigate to usage quota. Let's try that. Oh, I can put quota here. Quota. So, find a specific quota that is limit in your deployment. So it says that I need more elastic premium VMs. I'm guessing I can I show you that? I think I can. Sorry, like she's trying to jump out of the chair. It's definitely too high for her, so I'm just like battling with her. So I guess we want VM. Let's go compute. Oh, elastic. Maybe I can just. Tu peux pas à la terre, tu vas aller japper. Huh? Just put her on the ground, but I'm pretty sure she will go yap. Yap, yap, yap. Yeah, no, I don't want to contact support. Usage quota under monitor, yeah. Oh. Files specified listening in your deployment. Was there anything in the I guess echo is from living in the man cave. Oh, there's echo? I changed my setting. Let me check. Did I pick the good mic? I think I do. Oh, okay, I get it. Yes. Thank you. I added a camera, so I'm guessing. Yeah. It's resolved now. I added the camera, so the camera has like a input. I'm guessing it's solved now. Better. Thank you, Fuel. Yeah, don't. Like I had to rebuild my setup because I changed my graphic card, and to do so I had to move I had the PCI Express card that was in the way, the graphic card, so I moved it to a different slot, and I don't know why the camera didn't like it, or like every time I was starting OBS everything was just crashing. So I just come like, and that was good. Like don't wait. I'm expecting you to help me having a good stream. So anyway, so everything was not working. So you know, let's move this away and point that there. So there's a few things that I changed. So right now I'm not putting the chat message in the screen. I'm not sure if I should. Do you prefer having the chat message in the screen, or in the chat is good enough? What do you prefer, chat? Now I'm just going back, picking the dog, and I will come back. Hey. Okay. So Azure Function, which can prevent deployment even when no resource are currently in use, for example. Okay, cool. Well, I've been reported for US and US2. Okay, so I could try just use a different location. Okay, so let's try that. So let's go. I don't need you. Bye-bye. So now if I do, let's go in VS Code. So I guess now we have this, we have that, and I have to go see. The screen. So oh yeah, because it's a capture card, and like I disable it so it doesn't crash between the scenes. Okay, so I need to put some image so it doesn't look that weird. So what I did is, when you do like an AZD, it create a folder and add bunch of stuff. So I removed that. So now we should be able to try again. And let's try in another location. So Azure location. Okay, cool. That's what I'm looking for. Not sure I have AZ install. Do I? I don't think so. Yeah. Show more. What I want, I think it will just go for like maybe Canada East. Just not sure. So East US. Canada East. There, that's how it's called. I wasn't sure how it was spelled, so let's use this. So go here, and now we could do AZD up again. Yes. I want you to use this. Oh, cool. It's asking me. So why? US, Middle East, Europe. There's Canada. Canada East. Let's try that. Let's try to see. The blur scene has no audio. Okay, good to know. Let's fix that right now. Now you can hear me. And we still have errors. Okay, so the template deployment is not valid according to the procedure. Inner error details. Requested feature are not supported in this region. Oh man. Well, I guess that will be the... Okay, you know what? Yep, let's do this. Let's move on. I'll just put my hoodie because I'm getting a little bit chill. Let's try to not move too fast to exit the dog, who's like definitely watching me putting my hoodie. I look like a super huge winter jacket. It's just a hoodie, but with the lights and everything. Okay, so let's go back to here. And let's go add some comment to Paul. Okay, where did I put that? Here. So now we can say bye-bye to you. Excellent. Oh no. Well, I guess it's trying like this. Cool. I won't land today. Did I close my terminal? Yeah. The resource doesn't exist. I forgot what it was, the error message. Let's rerun it. Instructions about what to do when the quota error is display happens. No D. Location with a S. No. Cool. So I try ECUS, let's make it pretty. I try ECUS and got an error message about quota, and then I try deploy Canada East and got request feature not supported in this region. Could you update the Bicep so it show only the valid location? Adding instruction about what to do when the quota error happens would be nice too. I think that's good. I think this is good. So now we can go back to, so why did I change my mouse? I don't know. That was me, right? In the corner. Who tried to land, I think, yeah. So I wanna go in this project. The real Certibot landed. And I'm working right now at this project. Oh yeah, I need to put the camera at the same level as I am, like here. So you go over, yeah. Okay, so we're here, that's good. So we can close this. We can close this. So 3 is free, that's 4, that's 5, 5, we can close it too. So let's go back here. Let's open a recent project. Let's go with this. Did it make sound when you landed on the, does it psh, when you landed on the, with the leaves floating? That's pretty cool. I never noticed that. Undefined process, nope. Okay. I guess I'm on a cool down. Okay. So yeah, that project. Can I run it? I'm all set up to run it. I think I tried to do it this week. I tried to stream it. Oh my god, it was not working well. Yeah, it's here. Cool. So we could go here and say we're looking for an event AI, and now we click that button. We can allow location. I'm not using the location right now. I think, so what I did is I copied the Reka restaurant demo, and I'm trying it to event, because the restaurant was a great technical demo in terms of like, it was showing all the features, but in terms of experience, it wasn't making sense. And when I did showing like demo that, people were like, well, my phone can find a restaurant in like 2 seconds. Your stuff take a minute. So it wasn't great, but using this now would make more sense, because like finding events is definitely more complex. So I think that would be good, but then I think we can add some feature to say, okay, I want to, so location here, like it could be close around me or not. So we could enable it or disable it and specify this, let's say the city. And we could, I know there's a feature in the code where you could specify specific domain. If we go into the Reka research stuff, let's make this screen bigger. So we could change, oh no, that's not what I wanted. So also like right now I'm looking for like the dates. Come on, where is my mouse? It's here. So I'm looking for the name of the event, the starting date, the end date, the city, the country, and the URL of the event. Maybe price for like registration could be a good thing, or call for paper. That could be cool also, maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's too hard. Maybe it is a good demo if we do that. And then another thing is when we do the query, we can allow specific domain, so it will only search on those, or block domain. Let's say you don't want to look at, I don't know, Uber Eats. That was the domain used for the restaurant. So I think it could be cool to like add your own domain. And if you enable that feature, then like we pass that. Otherwise, we're just like, you know, skipping that thing. And right, and the city right now, because like, you know, I didn't want to try to find any event on Il Perro because I'm pretty sure there is none. So I put San Francisco because I know there's always a lot of event over there. So I use that as a, for now, hard coded here. So right now, the requests that was the request sent. If we format this, say found tech event, whoop, I crash, not cool, or timeout. Format document. Yeah. Oh no, it did find stuff. So why are you not showing it? I have to, yeah, I put comments again. And weird character and stuff. So let's try to work that. That was the demo. So let's try to work on that. Let's stop it. Let's clean those. The name is a little bit long, so maybe yeah, delete. Okay, so let's go here. Let's just change save to file. Maybe not city. It was. Yeah, let's just do this. Mood and instead of moon, let's put prefix. Oh, cool, prefix. So now when this is called, so get event reference. Okay, cool. So now it's building the payload. So now this should be there. So now this is the request. That's what I wanted. And here it will be exact. Cool. So that should help us a little bit. Okay. let's bring back city here. Oh, near city. Cool. So now let's ask AI to change that. So okay. Let's bring, if we go here and we bring a browser and we go for docs.reka.ai and we go for research, location. Oh, I need to drop. I need to do drop, but then I want to put some emoji. Got it. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Nope, nope. Sorry, Dev, again, you're pushing me. Yeah, you landed. Yeah, but at least it's not the sorry Dev that landed. It's like one of your digital friends. Okay, I need to go and where is it? Overview, streaming, reasoning step, web search. Oh yeah, okay, so I have this. Okay, so now I could go here and here. Okay, so let's open our AI thingy. Okay. You know what? So I don't do any typo. Let's, no, I want a new page. I want to paste that here. Okay, cool. And now I want this here. So now I could close it. Okay, I would like to add more options instead of having only city. Let's well, it's not user location, right? It's supposed to be approximate. Sorry for that. think I want to keep the control on what's display. Oh, really? Hey, McNett, how are you? Well, I wasn't sure initially, because in my head it was Shirley, not Surly. But it wasn't muted, the error on the VS Code channel. Anyway, these days it's always hard to know, right? So near city will be the town, I guess. That's, yeah. And then, okay, and then if I go here, it was region, country, time zone. Did I land? 36, yeah, VS Code today or Linux? Both? Yeah. I'm on Omarchi again. That's my usual. I did try to stream. Were you there Wednesday when I tried to stream? I was trying to, like, it was still the VM you're seeing was not the VM, but the laptop, the computer you were seeing was still my Linux laptop, but I was streaming from Mac PC. I use always two PC setup, and I was, instead of using OBS, I was using Meld Studio, and it was doing something to the. One thing I learned is I could do this, so it will be a little bit more darker for you, and I could even do this, so it's like bigger. Yeah. Oh, it was such like, so I learned like this was the effect that I didn't know you could cut the transparency. I didn't know that was there. So it's there since 3.5, I think. Maybe it's a new feature. This I knew, but I tweeted yesterday because I did try to fix it. And I can fix it by tweaking. So like, when in OBS, you maybe you don't know. So in OBS, you create a scene. So like this is a scene, like setup. And then you had layers, bunch of layers, and those are inputs. So okay, my screen, my mic, my camera, and stuff like that. So I reproduce the same scene in OBS and in Meld, and my screen, like my screen capture, so let's say my Visual Studio, look washed on the Meld side. I can fix it by adding a layer, just like I had a chroma key here, so like you don't see my my green background, but you see Visual Studio. So I could fix it by playing with the contrast, but I felt I shouldn't have to do that, since like while you washing, while you like removing contrast, I don't know. So I tweeted. I don't expect any answer, but we'll see. So region, Canada, country, US. That's weird. Oh, what was that? Oh no, okay. I was like, what is that? I'm mixing the stuff with the duck. I was like, what? So country, it should be country. If it makes sense, McNett. This region, I guess it will be this. hopefully doesn't have too much trouble with the accents. That'll be fun. Who's the excited one? Damn. Let's do it with a puppy, since it's puppy day. Sturdy Dev again? You're doing it on purpose. Did you see that? He pushed me in the corner. And like, yeah, like me, like. Unbelievable. That guy is such a... I don't think so. Here I don't have the time zone, so I think I won't. Do I have the time zone? No, I don't. I don't think time zone make a lot of sense anyway, so I don't think I will use time zone. So let's remove the time zone. Okay. Okay. And okay, and now the service. No, it's supposed to be JavaScript, right? Where did we put that? Here, I'm guessing? No. Is it art? Is it in the page? Okay. Change. So to return the okay. I think that's good, right? Let's try to see what it does. So here, did I change anything? So good. So let's do this and let's Wait, I think I've left the British summertime. Indeed. These, it's winter time. But like, Marcus, are you based in British? In UK? In British. Are you based in British? In UK? Yes, United Kingdom. Ah. Just like me, as you can notice with my accent, right? Wait. For us, like for me, it was on the 31, but I thought you were like a week or two before or something, or after. I forgot. But like I thought you were not. I thought UK and like the Americas were not doing it at the same time. I used to have manager who worked in UK, and it was always kind of like 2 weeks of nightmare because one of us was changing and then the other one was changing, and like it was like setting a meeting was just like, oh my god. Good excuse. Well, when it's one-on-one, one-on-one with your manager, it's always a little bit harder, don't you think? And I had good manager, so I never mind meeting them. Yeah, we were talking about business, but also we kind of chit chat and sync. You know, when you have a manager in another country, it's good to chit chat. Okay, the change made. Create a user location approximate class. Cool, we'll have a look into that. A new domain class, domain, folder, town, region, country. Okay. Location service get city from position change to return to this, and now the domain. Cool, update, blah blah blah. Look like it did everything we asked. That's cool. So here it's looking for city, town, or village. Okay, I mean, yeah. Let's close this. Don't save. What was the here? No. The sample. Here. I don't have what he's looking for, but I guess it's fine. Okay. Okay, I don't want to see this. We were here. No, where we were? Here. Okay, so this look legit, right? We asked for town. That's what we asked, right? Town, region, and country. I think it was. Right? City, region, and country. So town, region, country. That looks good. So let's accept this. So now we were in this service. So instead of a string, it's using it's returning this, and here it'll look okay. So good, and keeping that, and keeping that. Now we are in the Finder. So instead of okay. We remove those two. because now it's user location. If user location town is null, I guess like what's the more important? I guess town is not the most important. Could be region or could be maybe country. What will make more sense? I feel like region. Maybe we're missing like state or something like that. Did we had state or something? You know, I feel like between like, yeah, we had the state, but we don't have it in the docs, right? That was the... So our region is the state. So maybe that's what we should be using. Because I put region and it's kind of like, you know, like the greater area of like a major city with the suburban. Maybe that's what we want, or like it should be like more like a region. Like in US, for example, in this state, like it's California. Because San Francisco, maybe it's a city beside San Francisco, and like just like the greater San Francisco, it won't be included, but California will be okay, good enough. I don't know. That will make sense. Here, so for here, like I'm looking for something in Quebec. So that's the entire province. But Montérégie means it's around Montreal. So maybe state is what we were looking. And I guess, okay, let's... Okay, let's, again, so let's, in here, okay, that's good, that's a class. The location service. I think for the region, when we put the region, I think we want the state. But why it's not there? Address, state. Oh, it did create a class. Oh, interesting. Where is that class? This? Oh, it's here. Interesting. Oh, so city, town, village, country, time zone, region. Interesting. I guess we don't need city anymore, right? Oh yeah, GT. You made it. Once again. Yay! Yeah, so let's keep region for now. And let's see what's in there. I think... Oh, yeah. I want to keep this. I think I want to change that for state. I think I want to change that for state. Because, yeah. Okay, so here, now we're using user approximate. Excellent. And we're doing this, ting, 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 cool. Great. Okay. So in here, there was a lot of like thing happening. So I want to double check what's happening. Let's close this. Let's make it a little bit bigger for you guys. I feel it was tiny. That's huge. Can I make this one just bigger? Given that I am a cyclist, this might be useful. That's cool. I like that image. Was it the AI generated? Did you build that? I built it for a club. Ah, cool. I'm not part of a club though. I feel like I'm not good enough. That's cool. Oh man. So is it, so okay, so could I have my own version for like my club, or like, because right now that's your instance, right? You don't have any login, but like if I change the setting, I will screw up your stuff. A club is not for breakfast. What do you mean? You want to share the repo? Share the repo and I will put it in the show note and I will have a look. That's cool. Did you show it to Fragbird? You should share it to Fragbird. It's a cool, it looks pretty nice. Good work. What do you mean, McNet? A club is not for breakfast. It means you need to. Oh, I was like, I don't know. You would think I'm very social and stuff, but I'm extremely shy. I feel I can stream, I can do YouTube video because I don't see you. But when I'm in events and stuff like that, I'm like super shy in my corner. The best thing people can do if they recognize me is come to see me and say, hey Frank, and now I can talk, but like I'm super shy. Cool, awesome. Is it okay if I add it to the show notes? So look like I don't know what Laravel is. I think it's a platform, right? I don't know. So Shadow Wolf, I don't know that platform. I'm sorry. It's a PHP and web dev. Yeah, it's been a while since I did the PHP, but maybe ask your question. Maybe the chat can help you. And maybe me. I did some PHP a long time ago. I'm having a very difficult time making my website having a multi-language support with JSON file. Oh. I don't know these days. I'm assuming there's like, is it plugin? How do you call that in PHP module? Oh, it's been so long. I think when I was doing PHP, it was 3.2. I even wrote a way to sort double array. She's awake. I don't want to look too much at her, so she doesn't want to go down. Okay, so we can close this and close this. Okay, yeah, so I wanted to check in Event Finder. There was a lot of stuff happening when we click the button, the search. So update the status, that's fine. Position, okay. Then if position is null, is not null, then it does something. So it's getting city. No, it should get the wait, what? Oh, so get city from position. What? Yeah. So well, yeah. So position is not good. I think I prefer this. So it should get position, get location, user location details from coordinates. I think it's a better name. Get location details from coordinates. And position, I'm guessing that's, yeah. Did he just create that? No, it was there before. Not sure I like it. It's hard to learn Shadow Wolf, but I feel like I would probably so you're using a JSON file as a bank of Azure as your dictionary kind of thing. So like you want to display Apple, so when you go English, it will go check Apple. If then it's French, it will go pomme and stuff like that. I'm not sure if Laravel JSON language file. So do you have multiple file by languages? So let's say you have French and English, you have like a language file English, a language file French, and then you use your a underscore and the text, I'm assuming text is the key. So let's say you wanna the key is Apple. So when you look into the English file, the JSON file for Apple, it will go and display my Apple. And when you go in the French file, then it will show ma pomme. Yeah. So are you sure it's going into the good file? That will be my stuff. First to check, are you in the good file? It's suppose is not the good answer. Make sure it is. I think in PHP, but like you definitely can do trace. It's been so long. So okay, so position, it's fine. Let's keep the position. So I guess I should do from position. And here let's bring back this. I think search parameter. I think town is not good enough. So if user location, it won't be empty, right? Could it be empty? Can this thing return null? I don't think so. Yeah, it can return null. Wait, what? When does it not return null? So get this, so position, return null, try, response, blah, blah, blah. Okay, no, it returns the new thing. Okay, so if it's null, then we skipped. So here, instead of user location, if user location is different than null, then search parameter. Oh, I guess we need to change this. So it's user location. And now let's go where it's implemented. So this, I want to go see that. It's user location, and it's user location approximate. And I guess I guess it can be null, but it shouldn't. I guess then, no, we put it this way. No? Oh, like this? Yeah. I'm sorry that I cannot help you more, Shadow Wolf. I know there are streamers that do PHP, so maybe check with them. Like, you know, if you search on Twitch, I'm sure there's like PHP streamers. They will be able to help you a little bit more. Okay, so here, yeah, so if position is not null, wait, what? Oh yeah, if position is not null, if user location is different than null, then user location is equal to what? To user location. Who landed? Undefined process, Jeff Hats 10 and Surly Dev. And GT 68. Surly Dev, you landed. You don't deserve to land, sir. You're always pushing me aside. I'm joking. If you didn't know. Okay, and we update the status, new location found. Okay, good. And then we start this, we will start for searching event. Okay, that's good. One thing that was display is this, I think. No. Yeah, I'm not sure I like that. Location is used only for the biased result toward the data. No, I guess it's better. Can't keep it. I just feel it's weird, but whatever. So should we try it? Oh, one thing that could be cool is displaying the result. No, we cannot display the result. Oh, one thing. I guess we'll have dates also at some point, right? And the problem is here it's the 3 upcoming event. Oh, or recent, no. Upcoming tech events. Let's see if that's good enough. That's why I tried yesterday and it was showing me, or like whatever last time, and it was showing me past event. I was like, no. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'm not sure it will be great because of like, or maybe it will pick up Quebec instead, because in my town there's no way there's event. But yeah, let's execute it, see if it works correctly. Oh. So we go event finder. So let's go AI. And we search, so it should ask me for my location. I say yes, searching for event. Whoop. I'm guessing we got an error, yep. This. Warning, failed to determine the HTTP port for directing. What? Oh, I want you to stay down below here so I could chat with my friends. Do we have some data? Okay. Dog is snoring. So I guess it didn't like this invalid country code. Oh, so it's expecting a country code? Okay. Well, definitely we use Canada, and here, like, I'm very suspicious of error here, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so don't save that. So let's delete those files. So we keep only the one we need. In the sample, did we have the country? So we had country code. So I guess we could in the domain, that was the geolocation thing, right? For here, for the country, we'll put country code. I should fix the thing. And even region, oh, I didn't have it, right? Yeah, I had state. Could put state. But I guess, again, it will be looking for the... Is it this? Let's see what it go with the... Because it's not a two-letter thing. Oh, man. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Come on, up. Event Finder. Let's go with AI and search and allow. Oh. Searching a little bit longer. So I worked, so Quebec, CA, and Notre-Dame de l'Île-Perrot. I know it's a very long thing. Let's see how it goes. I've just vibe code the program to analyze CPAP machine. And how was it? How was your experience vibe coding? Vibe coding, unfortunately for friend, I forgot, Wolf, what was it? Shadow Wolf? Vibe coding is very nice when you have some developer skills, because you kind of know and guess a few things. I did, like, it's not true though that I don't know Python, because I did IoT and like micro Python in IoT, but I did like an app in Python and it was fun. I like Python. It was fun. I think I need to reach out. Oh, have a nice weekend, Magnet. Thank you for joining us today. It was pretty cool having you. Project manager are original vibe coders. Yeah. Well, like at some point, even me, like I'm developing, but like I don't, like I do a little bit of everything, but I don't do like my full day deep coding and stuff like that. But then I touch so much that I still a developer, but like I'm not as efficient as like a developer or an engineer who's like coding the entire day, right? Yeah. Yeah, well, depends. When I was a project manager, I was not looking at the code. Architect, I was looking at the code. And I was a cloud architect, so I was looking at the code. But not in the, like, you know, in the PRs and stuff, but not all of it. Sometime I was going deep, and sometime I was just kind of like, okay, it looks legit. Will it work? We'll see. We'll see that soon. So, oh, I was like, what's that? It's my corner. Yeah. Should I bring back the chat in the screen? For the chat people are still there. I know you're probably lurking. I had to rebuild my entire setup. I think I still need the alerts. I should, since my goal is to get to 1,000 followers and I'm missing only 2. So if you're not followers, please, where is it? Click that little follow or the little art. But unfortunately though, I don't think I have alerts. I think I need to add a layer and add alerts. I was using so many things. I think that was causing my problem. Like I tried to reload my setup because in OBS you could like export your like structure, and I was trying to reload it. It was crashing all the time. So I rebuilt it. But I was using Streamlabs and I forgot, like there was 2 other service, so I'm not sure. Okay, cool. That's what I thought too. I thought like it was cleaner. Like even I already have like the clouds moving up and like to do that we'd never use, I could remove it. In fact, for the to do, I think what that would be the best is if I have a interface that I can type instead of like doing chat things. So I need some kind of like admin tool. Back then, oh, so we have a response, but it did fail again. Okay, damn it. What? So that was the request, but we saw the request, so it crashed. Yeah, so that was the request. Timeout, damn it. And then for CB, so I would love to have an easy way without polluting the chat. Like with, you know, when if I want to use to do is like to do add and then, you know, add stuff. I would love to have like a web interface and I would just say, oh, to do, this is the to do, blah, 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 you know, adding them there. The notes, I don't mind doing it through the chat because then like I'm sharing at the same time the URL, let's say. But the to-dos, like there's no, it's not helpful for you to have it in the chat. So I think if I had an interface, like a website where I could just like end the to-dos, check the to-dos, delete it because like the stream went different way and stuff like that, I think that would be easier also. Like, I could, I don't know, I feel like, I'm guessing an admin tool for CB, I guess then. So we did again timeout. So the question is, so let's close that. The question is, I thought I set up something. So maybe city, I should put Montreal in just, you know, to make it easier. Where is it? In program, I thought I had, yeah, 5 minutes. 300. Is it 5 minutes? That's, no, 300 is not. 300 second, that's not 5 minutes. But 5 minutes is really long. I don't think we want 3 minutes. Okay. And one thing here is, let's put 3 again. And I will just here hard-coded Montreal, okay? Just to ease it for us right now. No. You like seeing the stuff like that, the to-dos? You mean? Sorry, Dan? What's the grass icon beside your name? Touch the grass. I think I have that too. What it's for again? Especially is the to-do. Okay. I thought it was noisy. I thought it was like polluting the chat, and I was like just spamming you. And obviously I don't want to spam you. So okay, so I guess we try again. I know also we went over the time, but I need to work on that. So I think I will work on that. Maybe even I will take a break, check emails and stuff like that, and continue to stream later on that. Okay, let's go AI, let's go search. I really don't like the look of that little thing. Okay. Well, I think I had it. It was like I think I had it too. I think you can set it up, and if I go on this computer, I think I can. If I go chat setting, is it chat setting? Maybe not. Get started. Yeah, no. I saw that though. Is it profile, chat identity maybe? I have a gringo leaf. I have no idea what it is. And I had the... So right now I'm the broadcaster. Well, I think when I'm on different channel, I could have different stuff. I just got a notification. What was that? Oh, cool. It's working. Yay. So we have Word Submit and it's pass. We have this and it's pass. We have that and it's pass. So we definitely need to set up the the time in because just upcoming is not good enough. Okay, well it did work better. So I guess we could go if I go GitHub and then I do API. Let's go here. Let's stop this. Let's bring you. So I'm in. Let's go 3. Yeah, and let's go bing, bing. Let's go on that. I will create the stuff on my version, not the main one. Oh, I don't have any issue. Oh, I wanted to. Can I do then project instead? What to do? I want to create them, but I'm not sure I want to create like issue on the stuff, but I just don't want to forget what I want to do. If I create them here, it's not great. Priority board. Maybe I can create like so the team planning, Kanban. I think Kanban is what we want. Import from repository. No. And it will just be like string planning. Cool. So we did want to oh, we need to set a date. I think it's good enough. Cool, so we have that. I want to use location optional. So use a user location, so it could be cool, like in the near me stuff where like I do that. And even for user location, maybe we should specify, because I guess it didn't find anything because it was trying to be in my city. So maybe we should say, do you want to use your, or maybe we should pre-populate. Yeah, maybe we should pre-populate this stuff and then the person can change it. I think that's better. Yeah. And I'm saying if null, but the idea here is if I put the event on the load page, then it will do that all the time. I'm not sure that's what I want. So I think find some like, you know, okay, we did it. So like, for example, when I load the page, it will say, okay, Il Perro, and then I change it from Montreal. I don't want to have to change it to Montreal every time like I'm trying a new result. In my case, I'm kind of like publishing a new version. That's why I always need to click that allowed. And I'm doing it on purpose just to validate that it's asking me. But like for someone, if you leave the page and come back, it will populate your location, but I don't want it to ask you, I don't want you to have to change it every query. I'm not sure if it's clear, but that's what I mean. Okay, this, and then we want to the options to block or allow domains. I forgot what was the other thing that could be cool was, oh, like a CFP. Oh, I think that's just me. That could be cool. Optional CFP open. CFP open. Oh, it was end the cost. Yeah, optional field. So CFP, just in case it's called for paper, or sometimes it's called for content, CFC. That was a good landing, Smirkly Swiggly. That's good. Yay, congrats. Congrats on that. Yeah, CFP is what's mostly used. And I'm going far, far away. Cool. So we have this. So I want to work on this because I want to present, I think that will be a better demo to show. I have an event next week, and I was planning to show the restaurant demo. Like I said, it's a good demo and like code base, but I feel this one, it's the same kind of code base. Now we're adding more fancy stuff in it, but the result make more sense, because looking for a restaurant, you take your phone and all the restaurant already display. So like waiting 2 minutes was not good, but try to find conferences inside 2 minutes. That's already like a good usage of AI, I think. And like the other idea I had was like planning like a trip. So I'm going to Italy. Like, what do you suggest? And then like asking me maybe like, and it's, oh, you should go like to Rome and visit blah, blah, blah. And like, you know, kind of like your itinerary could be cool. But I feel like that's already done a lot online. So I thought, you know, doing it again, not sure it will be that amazing. So, but like an event finder, and we had that same demo in Python. So I like having, different, the same vibe, the same type of sample, but in different language. So I thought it was a good match. Okay, so that's good. So we have that. Why this is unsave? Oh, because I did type, right? I think. Yeah. I thought I was typing in the chat and I was tapping there. So we have that. So now we need to push the code. So we go here. Let's make sure, yeah, we don't want, so app settings, nope. We don't want app settings, event finder, yep. We're staging this, geo, location, yep. Search parameter, yep. 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 Cool. So please improve the search location. Excellent. So we can do this and push it. Anyone want to drop? It's last call. Last call before I stop CB monitoring it. If you want to try to beat your best score, now is the time. Now is the time. This, cool. So GT sum 51, but I think you got like 68 earlier, right? Look, Surly Dev just trying to like, you know, squeeze in. Yeah, but you had like 60. Cool. I never noticed the leaf puffing up. It's cool. Cool. So we're there. Let's see the result of today. So today's score is, so we were doing some maintenance, but I will change it for like that new demo event finder. Or maybe I should say like Rika demo, I don't know. Maintenance maybe is the best. Game result. Marcus voice coder with, oh, you didn't land, Marcus? I thought you did land. I'm skipping the digital friends scores. Me with 36. There was McNet also at 0. Surly Dev with 66, GT Sum with 68, and Lurky Dev. So GT, you win again. Best score, Lurky Dev, Digital Friends. Biggest loser, Copperbeard. I saw him the other day on Copperbirdie on a stream. Was nice seeing him. Luckiest was Lurky Dev, no kidding, and the super participant, Surly Dev. Yeah, pushing others. I don't call that a super participant. And cool notes for Marcus Coder, voice coder, with this project. Winner! It's kind of a tradition. You always win. You always win. Well, everybody, thank you a lot for being with me today. It was very appreciated, and I'm pretty sure I need some time to like response email and do stuff that is a little bit more private, but I think what I will do is I will come back later today and just continue to work on this thing. So if you're still around, join me and we'll continue to fine-tune this demo because I want it done today so I can present it next week. And also I need to plan some, I've been asked to give some talks and I need to brainstorm about ideas. So maybe I will do that also online, kind of like work on the title and description on like what looks cool and not. But right now I need some food and I need to do some make sure I'm not ignoring people from my job. Dougie's super happy. We finally found a way to make it work. So I wish you all a good weekend. Oh, like 7, that's not enough. Under 10, we're not rating anyone. So have a good weekend, everybody. I will see you next week or probably later today. Bye-bye. Have a good weekend, everybody.